Hi, this is Kevin Coyne with Tech Ranch Austin, sharing a stakeholder update about what's happening across our global network. Now, many of you know that Tech Ranch was selected as top 3 social impact incubators in the United States. And out of that, we have decided to focus on impact innovation, technologies and innovations that make the world a better place. We've been working with a set of global organizations or organizations across the world. And in fact, many of you know that at the last quarter of 2016, I took a trip across the world visiting 60 of these locations, and also we deployed support teams into several other countries as well. The work has now started producing results, and we wanted to give you kind of a stakeholder update about what's happening with the work that we're doing. First thing is this: in Lulea, Sweden, we had this one company called Compodium that we discovered. Compodium has been in the video conferencing space for quite a while, but they have a very advanced technology. You might say, video conferencing, that's so, crowded. Well, the type of video conferencing technology they have can be used in medical instruments that might be inside of the body, where you have one doctor who's actually doing the work, but another doctor is being consulted on another side of the world. You really can't use Google Hangouts for that type of interaction. You need something that's a much higher quality of service. Compodium, we recognized, had this unique technology, and it is truly a life-saving technology. And so because of that, we've helped them get connected to a venture fund based out of Houston, Texas, that's now got them more polished for doing US market entry, as well as getting access to the Chinese market as well. We expect many other results out of this. In fact, the company had just announced that they have an innovative partnership that just happened with one of the Canadian telecom companies, and so a lot of things are happening there. We'll hear more about that as things progress. Secondly, with our partners called the New Ventures Institute in Adelaide, Australia, this is part of the Flinders University, which is a top 2% research university in the world. What's exciting about the partnership that's happening there is we've helped a company come from Adelaide, land here in Austin, and accelerate very quickly through some of the needs that they had. Initially, the founder, Ben Olson, was looking for marketing and sales support as well as manufacturing support. We were able to save him about 2 months of time on the marketing and sales side and about a month on the manufacturing side. And a lot of people say, well, the entrepreneur could have done that himself or herself. Certainly in this case, what happened is the time savings just gives more runway for interesting things to come out of it. Now, Retimers technology is important because they have a lot of different technologies for supporting people with sleeping and getting good, high quality sleep. Cool technology. We're expectant of other products that they're going to be shipping. We'll hear more about that as it develops. Also, another experiment that's happening from Adelaide, Australia and the New Ventures Institute is we believe that there's going to be this opportunity between Aqueous, which is a water conservation company based here in Austin, and Sustain SA, which is a carbon neutral company based out of Adelaide, for them to be able to connect and actually save each other a lot of time and money because of the platform that they can share. As an example, the platform you use for water conservation looks very similar to what you might use for carbon neutrality. There's some interesting things that are happening there. It's an experiment. We have a couple other experiments happening between startups like this. We'll tell you more as this happens. So again, the vision is that connected ecosystems should innovate more. And by building these global partnerships around the world, we believe that there's this possibility that we can help more of the impact innovation entrepreneurs, the ones that are taking these big pioneering risks, to gain access. And the partnership really supports the entrepreneurs so that they can go farther, faster together. And with that, I'll go ahead and close and say, in the age of gigabit internet, we should have more than just fast websites. It doesn't make sense that all this new technology that's coming online would just have us have faster websites. Or that, in the possibility of building global partnerships, we shouldn't just have space sharing relationships. We should actually figure out what are the practices that we can do at different sides of the world so we can help these entrepreneurs get to the next level. As an example, there's going to be normalized practices in both sides so that when entrepreneurs land, they can get moving faster back and forth. With that, we'll keep you in the loop about what's happening. Thank you for your time again today. We'll start doing this on a regular basis. Let us know the questions you have. And with that, we'll see you again soon. Thank you.